Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot, and in today's video we are looking at what is coming up next for you 6 months from now. So as usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please take your time when it comes to selecting your pile, and later we shall start with the very first pile, which is pile 1. And if you've selected pile 1, this is what's coming up for you 6 months from now. Let us begin. So the very first card for you, and I always would like to start with the positive, is that of the Sun. Now the Sun talks about happiness. It talks about happiness when it comes to your family. It talks about happiness when it comes to all areas of your life, in fact. So there is a possibility that something good has happened in your life, something that you're celebrating. But this can also be spending happy times with family. This can be an engagement. This can also be the announcement of a pregnancy. This can be the birth of the child. This can also be receiving a news, because you also have the Eight of Wands. Now the Eight of Wands is about communication. This is about a letter. This is about an email. So there is a possibility that you may receive a letter which brings good news for you, or just puts you in a very happy frame of mind. Also, the Sun can also denote travel. So there is a possibility that you may travel, and this can also be, movement. So shifting to a new city, shifting to a new country, shifting to a new place of work. But whatever it is, this new movement will bring you a lot of happiness. Okay. Another thing that I really want to highlight is, for you, 6 months from you, a new start is coming. A new start when it comes to your life. But that new start for you will also bring in a lot of decision making, because there is a fork in the road. Now the fork in the road for me always talks about having choices. So 6 months from now, you have to choose what direction you will take your life into right now. This new start, or this new fork in the road, will be a fork of tremendous changes. So whatever path you choose to work on, this will be a tremendous shift for you, a tremendous shift for your life. Like I said, this could be about a new home, this could be changing city, this could be changing country. So of course, this is like a life-altering decision. So before making this decision, it is very important that you weigh in your option. You really look at the pros and cons of every situation and only then make a decision. And this fork in the road is also backed by this card. So this can be having choices to make. This can be choices with regard to 2 job options, 2 options regarding to the place you want to work in. This can also be, should you choose your own business or should you choose to work for somebody? 2 potentially right people for you. Either way, the choice is definitely there. So make sure you make that very, very wisely. Another thing to remember is you also have the Ace of Cups. So, I was highlighting the possibly a choice between 2 lovers. So that is also there. But either way, emotionally, you have arrived at a new place 6 months from now. Your emotions are really flowing. You are at a very balanced state is what I'm getting here. You're feeling good about yourself 6 months from now. So, I was highlighting with the new start, this new start is going to bring in a lot of promise with it. Okay, so I see this new start as bringing a lot of joy into your life, bringing a lot of fulfillment into your life, also bringing a lot of balance into your life. Okay, this can also be the start of a new enterprise, start of an enterprise you create for yourself. For some people, I'm also getting here a start of a new course, a new coursework. Starting of a new degree. Maybe you decide you want to go to college. Maybe you decide you want to go to university. Moving away from home is also possible. For a couple of you, relationship wise, your relationships can get deeper. So you may choose to deepen your connection with your partner, or you may choose to live in with your partner or get married, set the date for getting married. That is also possible. Another thing that I want to highlight here, especially with the Temperance card. Now, the Temperance card is a card of balance, but this is also a card of boundaries. So make sure whatever you do for yourself, it's sitting right with you. Whatever decisions you take, they are very balanced decisions. So make sure whenever this fork in the road comes up, your decision is weighed in very, very properly. Don't let anybody push you beyond your boundaries. Or another thing that I really want to highlight is, don't take up too much for yourself. Don't take up too much, like don't take up too much that you cannot bite, you cannot swallow. Okay, do things in a balanced fashion is what I'm getting here. Another thing that I want to highlight here is, you've sown the seeds. You have the Seven of Pentacles. Like you have sown the seeds 6 months from now on, but don't expect the results to show up immediately. See, the Seven of Pentacles is a card of long term. It is a card of long term success. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep walking the path you're walking on. Because obviously the path that you'll take 6 months from now is the right path for you. But the seeds will only grow into a tree much later. Okay, so don't give up is also something that I want to mention to you. When it comes to your money wise as well, I see there is a lot of money. Okay, so financially as well, there is a good time, but money may come in from 2 or more sources. So this also talks about having 2 places of income, like maybe one is your full-time job, the next is your hobby. That is also a possibility. Again, when it comes to investing money, please make sure you're thinking about long term. Okay, any decision you take, make sure you're thinking about the long term. Your future looks very, very promising, especially the changes that are coming in. They are going to take you to a much better point in your life. But make sure you're weighing in your options very much. And you're doing things in a balanced manner. Don't bite more than you can chew is what I want to highlight here. When it comes to your health, I see your health is really becoming better. But you also need to take a little bit of care when it comes to your health. Because one, you may be balancing too many things, you're doing too many things. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention to your health. You're paying attention to everyday maintenance of your body. So when you feel like you need to give yourself that rest, give yourself that rest. When you feel like you need to indulge in activity, make sure you indulge in activity. But that balance is very, very crucial. Another aspect is that of fertility. The fertility, it talks about pregnancy, possible pregnancies. That is something we've seen. So if you've been trying to expand your family, that is something that can definitely happen. But another thing, even money wise, 6 months from now, the time you will see in your life can be very, very prosperous, especially with the new start that you make. This can also be start of an exercise routine, start of a diet plan, or the start of a specific food habit. Like you may choose to go vegan, you may choose to go the vegetarian way, or you'll make a lot of changes when it comes to your diet. When it comes to your romantic relationships, you have a lot of fulfillment here. You have a lot of promise for happiness. Change can also be in terms of your romantic status. So for a lot of people, I'm also seeing family. So I'm also seeing wedding and a pregnancy that will come in very quickly after that. But either way, you're feeling very, very emotionally fulfilled. So overall, that is what is coming up for you 6 months from now. The change is coming. Make sure you take that decision very, very seriously. Consider the pros and cons before making that new start, and just do something that speaks to you is what I'll leave you with. And do something that will bring you a lot of joy. That's what I'll leave you with. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And if you've selected pile 2, this is what's coming up next for you 6 months from now. So as you meet the 6 months mark, I believe you will be firmly in control of your destiny. You will know exactly what you want to accomplish and where is it that you want to go. And you have a lot of strength, you have a lot of inner conviction, and you believe in yourself tremendously. And that is sort of backed in by the strength card. Like anything you set to accomplish 6 months from now, it is going to come to fruition. Because the rest of your cards as well are exceptionally positive. See, there is also a new start coming here, okay, with the Ace of Pentacles. Now, the Ace of Pentacles is about security. It's about stability. So, this can also be a new job. This can be advancement in career, a new career at that, or just forward movement when it comes to your career. This can also be you entering into business agreements. Maybe opportunities for business may come up in front of you. And if you grab that opportunity, that will bring you a lot of financial success is what I'm seeing. But this is also a card of beginner's luck. So anything that you put your hands into 6 months from now, that is going to find a lot of success. And success you are finding because you have the Six of Wands. And you're not just finding success, you're not just accomplishing things 6 months from now, you're also being publicly acknowledged for that achievement. So this can be, really reaching the top of your career. This is you succeeding in whatever you want to accomplish, but also receiving praise for it. So especially careers, when it comes to public domain, you guys will find a lot of success. But even otherwise, you have a lot of success because your inner conviction 6 months from now is very, very strong. Financially as well, a very strong period is coming up in your life 6 months from now. Because not only do you have the Ace of Pentacles, not only you have the Six of Wands, but you also have the King of Pentacles. Now the King of Pentacles is like the alpha when it comes to financial security. Okay, you will find yourself in a very wealthy position. Also career wise, promotions for a lot of you is likely. Like you will achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve here, is what I see. This is a good time for a couple of you to buy land. This is also a good time for a couple of you to buy a new house. So anybody right now who's watching this video wanting to buy a house, wanting to buy land, I think that might happen 6 months from now. Okay, because financially you are in a very, very secure position. In terms of your life as well, you have arrived at a very beautiful point in your life where things are finally starting to work in your favor. So any kind of, disbelief that you have right now, any kind of worry you have right now about your future, it's just meaningless worry, because your Moonology card as well says nothing is going to come out of this situation. So please don't worry about it. You may be working really hard in the present moment when you're watching this video, and all of your hard work is paying off. One thing that I want to remind you of, like 6 months from now, you're finding yourself in the driver's seat. The control is in your own hands. From now, whatever decisions you take, make sure they are decisions you take for yourself, because you have the capability to make the right choices for your life, and the choices will pay off in the long run. Okay, business wise as well, if you want to take up a new business, this is a very good time. Also movement, if you decide to move to a different city, if you decide to take a job in another city, that will also happen. If you've been waiting for that offer from another city, another country, you may also be moving. That is also very much possible for you. Romance wise as well, your romantic life is especially thriving, is what I see 6 months from now. For singles especially, because for singles, 6 months from now, you may meet a person who will really spark your interest, and this attraction is going to be mutual for you, because this is like a mutual attraction. It's like a mutually fulfilling a connection is what I'm seeing. Okay, where emotions are really flowing deeply and you are connecting with your partner at a very deep level. For some people, this can also be, the King of Pentacles here can be a potential partner for you, a person who's financially very secure, a person who's emotionally very secure. And this is a person who's a provider, both male and female, because the King of Pentacles doesn't always have to be a man. So this can be a woman as well, So this can be relationship with a person who's mature, who understands their emotions, who's a provider, and who wants to, have this connection with you, have this deep connection with you. And again, after you meet this person, moving in with this person will happen very quickly, or a deeper commitment will happen very quickly with this individual. For some people, this can also be a person who's slightly more mature than you, mature when it comes to life experiences, but sometimes even when it comes to age. Okay, that is possible. But either way, your romantic life is thriving. That is something I see. And this meeting with this person can also be like, it happens by luck. You have serendipity card. So this is like a fated romance coming into your life. Romance that was meant to be. Relationship that was meant to be. Okay, so very interesting time coming up. I am really curious, so please come back and tell me how this worked out, okay? Because I seriously see this working out. And again, what I see here is for a couple of you, 6 months from now, you may decide to move out of your comfort zone. See, because for you, stability is there, security is there, but you're slightly worried about it. Should I move out of the situation? Should I not move out of the situation? It's almost like, you're deciding, should I take a risk when it comes to my career? Should I take a slight amount of risk? Because whatever you're doing, it's working. So, when things really work in your favor, you ask yourself, is it worth me taking that risk? But you should be taking that risk. And you're in a position where you are very comfortable, but you're also very confident. So take that risk. Move out of your comfort zone, especially when it comes to relationship part, and even when it comes to your career. So risk taking or just moving out of that comfort zone will bring a lot of blessings for you guys 6 months from now. But I see you guys moving out of that comfort zone. So there isn't any problem as such. Business wise, money wise, things are really looking good, especially partnership business. That will really thrive. Okay, but you'll really achieve a lot, like this deep sense of achievement. For a lot of you, I'm also getting the kind of dreams that you're dreaming of right now. They are achieving fulfillment, and that is only because you're working very hard in the current moment, and you believe in yourself, and you're willing to not settle for anything less. And that is what is sort of guaranteeing your success. See, luck is on your side. You're obviously putting in the hard work, you have the conviction, and that is the reason why you're achieving a lot of success. Okay, but things are almost happening magically as well. See, luck is on your side 6 months from now. You're completely lucky, like fortune is smiling down on you on all areas of your life. So the sense I get is your life is shifting tremendously shifting. One thing you need to remember is you need to pay attention to your health, like especially in terms of the food you're eating, what you're putting into your body, because nourishment in your area of life is very important. So make sure you have a proper exercise routine. Make sure you're really, going out. Make sure you're connecting with nature. But food wise, you have to be very careful. Nourish your body. But this is also about nourishing your mind. Okay. So what I want to tell you is whatever decisions you take in your life, make sure they are sitting right with you. They are sitting right with that inner compass when it comes to your life. Okay, because nourishment is for your soul as well. So whatever direction you take your life in, make sure the decisions are sitting right with you. So if you feel like, okay, this is just not right for me, this is not me, make sure you say no to those things. Okay, because this is about being true to yourself. One thing I want to warn you, don't worry yourself unnecessarily. The vibe here is that of the Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords is a card of, anxiety. It's a card of troubling yourself again and again. So don't ever stop working hard. You will find the life that you're working for 6 months from now. That is what I'll leave you with. I will see you in my next one. Bye. And if you've selected pile 3, this is what's coming up for you 6 months from now. Alright then, we shall start with your very first card, and the very first card is the Nine of Cups. So 6 months from now, you are entering a beautiful time in your life. One wish that you really hold close to your heart is coming true. So what is that wish? I would really like to know. But not only the Nine of Cups, you also have the Three of Wands. Now the Three of Wands is finally grabbing the opportunity. Finally having your ships coming in, and finally you deciding that you're going to go for it. So there is also a new beginning, along with this Three of Wands. So you are making a new beginning when it comes to your life. So for a couple of you, this could be moving to a new workplace. This could be moving to a new apartment, moving to a new city, moving to a new country, because the Fool is also a card of travel. Of course, this could also be a card of a holiday. This could be hitting the reset button when it comes to your life and deciding that, all right, whatever I've accomplished at this specific place is great, but I want to move on. I want to move on towards more beautiful opportunities. Because with the Three of Wands, you may also be presented with a lot of opportunities, and this is you grabbing those opportunities. And let me tell you, though, that is a exceptionally right decision to take for your life, because you also have prosperity lying ahead. So 6 months from now, financially, you will also enter a very good time. So this new beginning can also be in terms of a promotion, with your ships coming in, especially. This could be advancement in your career, like really making it to higher levels of, managerial levels is also what is coming through. But for a couple of people, I'm also seeing the start of a new business, start of a new enterprise, especially if that is something you want to create. And if you want to start an enterprise, you may also have investments coming for you. Like a person may help you with an investment. Okay, that is also coming through. Either way, you are moving away. Now, this can be you moving away from difficult times or you moving away from your present situation. Of course, Six of Swords, like the Fool, also talks about travel. So this is moving to a different place, moving to a new home if that is something that you want, or moving to a different place entirely, a new country as well. That because the travel element is very much there. But one thing I really want to highlight, whatever new opportunities you're taking yourself, make sure you're taking them up very, very wisely, because you also have the 10 of Wands. Now 10 of Wands is having a lot of burdens to carry, carrying a lot of responsibilities. See, the thing is, you're very capable. You're very capable of carrying out those responsibilities, but make sure these are responsibilities you really want to take up. And this is something that you've consciously decided you want to take up. Okay, because it shouldn't be like, you don't realize when it comes to making that new beginning that the responsibilities will be that much. So make sure you're making an informed decision is what I want to inform you of. Either way, you're walking a new path, because that is also backed up by the card of the path. I definitely see for a couple of you movement to a new location, a location that is unfamiliar. Also, career change is something that may come up for a new people. Like you may decide the current thing is not working out for you, or you may find a new path that you find is more towards your liking. Okay, but you'll be walking a new path, a path that you've not walked on before. That is coming in. But understand something, this new path is going to bring in a lot of blessings, and we've already seen that with the Nine of Cups. Okay, this could well have been the Nine of Pentacles, because you also have the prosperity card. So blessings are in your way 6 months from now on. So if you decide that the current life you're living is not working out for you, or for some reason you just want to hit the reset button, go ahead and do that, because that is going to prove to be a right decision for you. Now understand something, when you take these decisions 6 months from now, you're going to be challenged a lot. Like maybe the people in your life will not agree that this is the right decision for you, but make sure you stand your ground, because this is going to be right for you, and it's going to be right for your life. So you may have to defend your point of view to a lot of people. This could also be in terms of your workplace, like the way you do things or the manner in which you go about doing things, people may not agree with it, but it's going to be right for you, because it's going to bring in a lot of blessings. Okay, so don't really be afraid of walking your own path. It's going to bring blessings. See, you also have exchange of gifts here. So this can be you doing something and receiving a lot of benefits for it, receiving a lot of gifts for it. And I think this is very much in sync with the money card. So money wise, I see a very good time coming for you 6 months from now on. See, I'll tell you something, this could also be a result of lot of your hard work. So this could be you working multiple jobs is also what I'm seeing. Or this could be you starting your own business but working a full-time job at the same time. Because of which you've taken a lot of responsibilities, but it is paying off. So if you take a lot of responsibility, hire help, especially when it comes to your personal life, hire help or prioritize what you want to do first. But prosperity is coming in, blessings are it is coming in, and it is coming only because of your hard work. Okay, whatever you're doing is working. That is something I really want to remind you of. When it comes to your romantic life, see, there are multiple things here. Firstly, if right now your relationships have not been working for you, it's going to get better is what I want to say. But for a couple of you, this could be you leaving certain past relationships behind and starting a new relationship, starting towards a new journey. And that new journey can also bring blessings because you have a Nine of Cups. So this could be meeting a new person who's just right for you. And then, this is you moving away from difficult situations. But for people who are in committed relationships, like marriage, this is about difficult times ending when it comes to your life and a new phase starting when it comes to your life, okay? That is also coming in. But what I also sense is, this is also going to be a mutually fulfilling time in your life. So, for a couple of you, even when you've been having challenges in your relationships, your future will be better. And for people who are wanting commitments in their current relationships, that is also something that can happen. So this could be actually, exchanging of wedding rings, exchanging of engagement rings. That is also coming through. So it will also be depending on what decisions you take. Whether this is you choosing to consciously put the past behind and, meeting this person equally again, then that can happen. And your relationship can get so much more better to the extent of commitment. But for some people, if you feel like this is not the right relationship for you and this is just not the relationship you want to continue because you find this relationship very burdensome, you will be leaving it and moving to a new person or a new pathway is also what I see. Career wise, fulfillment is there, but also a lot of burdens are there. Okay, you're taking up a lot of work. Either delegate, either hire help, or just prioritize. But career wise, I see a lot of burdens for you. Burdens that are paying off, but it is still burdensome. Okay, either way, if I want to leave you with something, blessings are coming in, and don't be afraid to walk the new path. Don't be afraid to walk the new path, because whatever decisions you take for yourself will prove to be right. Don't listen to anybody else when it comes to making your life decisions. That is something that is coming through. Financially, because prosperity lies ahead, it will also mean you taking a lot of financial decisions, okay? Taking a lot of financial decisions, and make sure you take those decisions keeping your well-being in mind. Okay, put yourself first is what I want to highlight here. So even when you're making financial decisions, consult a financial planner, but don't sort of, discuss that too much with people who don't have that much knowledge about money. So money wise, take the control in your own hands. See, because, exchanging gifts can also be money wise. So prosperity can come in with regards to a promotion, then increasing your work burden. Okay, so what you want to do with your money should be, something that you really consider 6 months from now. And because the stone you chose was also pyrite, which is called, it's a fool's gold. So this can also denote a lot of money coming into your life 6 months from now. Very good time. Wish that you hold dear is coming true. And also you're moving away from difficult times that will bring you blessings. That is what I'll leave you with. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.